Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Today's look is this beautiful purple, golden, peachy, summery look I kind of came up with on a whim. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this sort of look, then definitely keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. And for all the new subscribers, I see you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Hopefully this is better. Okay, so I've been having issues with my camera and the blurriness, and I just realized I needed to be up higher and closer to you guys. So, okay, so we're just gonna take it from here. I'm gonna finish the, where was I? I'm gonna go back into this eye with more of that shade and just, I'm gonna go ham. I'm gonna bring you in a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade from the Creamsicle, one of my favorite shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go on just on top of that shade to brighten it up just a little bit. On a little brush just like this, a little lip brush, I'm taking some of my I was about to butcher it. My Tarte Shape Tape. My Tarte Shape Tape. Putting just a little bit on the back of my hand, just like so, with my mirror. And I'm gonna cut my crease. Oh, this sort of a brush. Just like a little flat brush. I'm gonna spray some setting spray on it so that when we apply the pigment, it comes out really, really shiny and sparkly and beautiful. And I'm going in with the Saharan palette by Beauties and a color called Zoya. Now I'm just gonna apply that color and pack it on. Pack it on the lid, baby. Now in order to create that V shape, which is what I'm going to be working on next, I am going to start small and work my way up. I'm working with, let's see, which purple do I want? I'm going to work with this purple. Oh, tapping off the excess. I'm working this color at the lash line, at the base of the lash line. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy blending brush and just gonna diffuse it a little bit. I'm actually gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Liner, Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in, let's see, I'm gonna go back in with this, let's do a funky blue. I feel like I need more brushes. I'm gonna go in with this Funkydelic blue and see what happens. The blue shade from, I'll show you guys. I'm using the blue shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And it is called Twerk. Just to build the intensity of the purple, because I feel like it could be a little bit more intense, but it's not. gonna just grab, let me see. I'm gonna grab the opposite end of this brush and just smoke out that purple lash line a little bit more. Should look a little something like this. And then I'm gonna go in okay, now let's see. Guys, I don't know where else to go from here. Where do I go from here? We need more purple. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a lighter purple, and I'm gonna use the brush that I initially used. It's just a really beautiful bright purple. I'm trying to brighten up this look a little bit. Black liner kind of took over and messed it all up for everybody. Oh guys, this is a look. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I am back. I just applied my lashes. Now I'm gonna go in, I'll zoom you guys in. I wanna kind of create a little bit more contour on the eye. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush, kind of like, I've never used this one. Okay, we're gonna use this one, just looks like this. And I'm going to apply the lighter purple just here, back into the crease. Where is my ta-da mirror? Oh, I've never used this one before. I'm gonna use a brush like this, just a really fine brush. And I'm gonna go in and use this purple and pack it on, tap off the excess, and go in. Can you see this? Go in with that blending brush again with the lighter pink, or sorry, the lighter purple shade. I'm gonna blend it all together to make it one seamless sort of look. And I don't worry too much about the very bottom because I know that when I apply the foundation, it'll just clean it right up. I'm gonna use this brush to do the bottoms because I like how this brush works. Too Faced Hangover foundation. Now I'm going to concentrate this where I feel like I need the most. And it smells really good. Like really good. Okay. My Milani. Grab my beauty blender. Dab it. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with concealer, which I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. Actually gonna go in and contour with my creamy contour palette by e.l.f. using the darkest shade and my beautiful and trusty Sonia Kashuk brush. Just above. Let me go ahead and diffuse this a little bit. With the cream concealer, I've learned that you don't really want to go crazy blending it in because again, you do want to like leave it. But what I do want to do is I want to fix it a little bit because it's a little low. It's a little low. You can say like a lot low. And then this side. Let me see. Does this work a little bit better? This peach cream blush from the same palette, or the same brand, which is e.l.f. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Hoola. I'm gonna go in with my favorite Milani blush. It's called Romantic Rose. Just looks like that. I'm gonna go ahead and go do my highlighter on the inner corner. Just using my fingers underneath my brow bone. Cleaning this up a little bit. I forgot to do my brows. Holy cannoli. My handy dandy, can you see it? Angled brush, Cypress Umber from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we go in. Look at the difference. Astounding. That's crazy. I am gonna go ahead and set my face with some setting powder. I am gonna go in with the Milani lipstick, lip liner in Nude, 03 Nude. I love this color. Share, comment, definitely let me know how you're liking these videos so that I know whether I should continue making more and or do something a little different. Also, I'm looking to do a self-care Sunday segment. I definitely want to like share my experiences and stories, and I think that I have some things that would interest you. Again, definitely let me know in the comments section below what you guys think, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!